SMW. Oh, Central Long Island Sound.
At 5:50, the watch area. A gust front was located along
A gust front?
extending from near mouth of the Housatonic River to Bridgeport to Penfield Reef, moving southeast at 30 knots.
What the heck?
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Goodness.
Source, radar indicated. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. The gust front
All right.
will be near Stratford Shoal and mouth of the Housatonic River around 5:55 p.m. For Jefferson Harbor around 6 p.m. Tarrant Point around 6:20 p.m.
Goodness.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Severe thunderstorm watch number 484 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey.